Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to our virtual classroom. So this is something new that teachers are trying within the district. Super exciting, super fun, lots of things on here. So I kind of wanted to just give you a little virtual tour of our virtual classroom. So when you log on, you're going to notice a lot of different things. So I'm going to start first with our chalkboard. On our chalkboard, you have your EPIC class, and if we were to click on it, you can go ahead and it'll log you into Epic. You see our code there, so you'll be able to say, please go on, read a variety of books, get on, do as much as you possibly can. Even through the summer, you can be reading. So please use this. There's so many books on Epic. I've been even using it with Andrew and Nora because their stuff is low for them as well. But please get on there, read any of that stuff. Also on our whiteboard, you're going to know that we have ST Math. Again, you can click on here. You can log into ST Math for the day. ST Math, some of you guys were asking me, should we be getting on every day? I realize that getting on every day may not be a possibility. So I think getting on as much as possible is good. If that means, 2-3 times a week, please be doing that. Friday's a great day. If you have even 15 minutes, get on to ST Math. It's going to go over some of the math that we've already done and kind of review some of the topics we've already talked about in math for 5th grade. So it'd be great for you guys to use now as well as over the summer, boys and girls. Please use this over the summer so that it keeps you fresh, so that when you're going into 6th grade, those math concepts you learned in 5th grade are still there with you. Okay. Another thing within our classroom, and I'm going to click around, is this keep calm. So if I click on here, I had posted this into our classroom before, but now I put it on here. We're going to open it up and you have your calming corner, okay? So if you're looking for a way to calm down or take a reset at home, you can use any of the links on the next slide to help yourself, okay? So I'm going to click to our next slide and you'll notice there's some calming music, there's some mindfulness, there's a Zen Den. Please go ahead and all you have to do is click on them and it's going to bring you to like a video. Most of them are on this safe YouTube, but please use this, boys and girls, at your will. I know I've been using it if I need it. So please, please, please use this when needed. All right, also in our classroom up here, this actually, I took this from Miss Darcy's virtual classroom. If we click on this, it says, I believe in you. And obviously you guys know I believe in you as so much. You guys have been doing so great. But if we click into this, we have a motivational poster. And I'm just gonna kind of move our screen a little bit. There we go. Motivational poster. And over here, you guys can see there's directions for you. You can change the picture out, change the words out. Make it so something for motivational. On the bottom, it says share it with Mrs. Tassinelli. And it says, share it with Mrs. Tassinelli. I'll post in our Google Classroom or in our virtual classroom. I'd love to kind of, if I could, change some of the posters out with some of your work in our virtual classroom, or post it even just as hey, check this out in our stream on our classroom. But please give this a try. It's something fun, some way of being creative. As well as being creative, in here you'll notice the bicycles. On the bicycles, when you click in here, it says add your artwork here. So I'm going to open it up and you guys get the privilege of being able, and she doesn't even know I did this, but I'm going to scoot this over if I could. I added a picture already for you guys, and this is actually a picture drawn by yours truly, Nora Tassinelli. I mean, look at that artwork. The little person, her name. But I thought it would be something fun. If you guys do some artwork at home and want to share with us, please add it to our document here. And if you need help, you can always email it to me and I can add it onto the document for you as well. But just a fun place to kind of share our artwork. So that's what that link is for. Let me drag us. Oh, nope, not move that. I'm going to drag the frame again. There we go. Down here on our bookshelf, we have, check out some of these great books. You have Jake and Lily. This is a fantastic book by Jerry Spinelli. Please, please, please check it out. I also put a nonfiction book about spider monkeys. I may add some books in there about Antarctic animals. I may change it up. I haven't decided yet, but I'm always going to try and do like a fiction and a nonfiction book for you guys, just some suggestions. Over here, you have our birthday cake. And if we click on it, I'm not going to open the whole thing, but it opens up to May birthday slides. And with the slides, boys and girls, I also gave you slides to write some birthday messages. Obviously, when June comes around, I will change it to June birthdays too. And then probably midway through, probably the last week in June, I will change it to July and August birthdays because we want to do some shout outs for our July and August babies as well. So just something fun for you guys there. And then lastly, on the bottom, we have our read aloud. So Miss Darcy and I are going to be reading the book Because of Mr. Terup to you. It's a great book. I haven't read it in a while, so it's going to be kind of a refresher reread to myself. But just something that we thought you guys love read aloud every day at school. I know you guys still enjoy it so much. So we figured we'd bring it back to our virtual classroom as well. So take time, find a place, boys and girls, in your house. Maybe it's before bed. Maybe take it outside. It's so glorious outside today. Take it outside and listen to it. It's only about 10 to 15 minutes. And you just need to listen, okay? We'll be changing it every couple days for you guys. So please come back and we'll let you know when we've changed it, just to give you a heads up. But just a fun read aloud. The dollar bill here is an activity and a challenge that goes along with Mr. Terup too. It is it's called the Dollar Words Challenge. I'm not going to open it right now. You need to get into the book a little bit first, but I will explain to you that the Dollar Words Challenge goes along with Because of Mr. Terup too. So that is our virtual classroom. Please go on, take a look, check it out, click on some links. Let me know in the comment section what you think. But I'm super excited about this. I think it's a fun way for you guys to get a little bit of our classroom at home. All right? Let me know what you think. Bye, guys.